If you've been looking for ways to make French curls braid, like you've been having issues, especially when it comes to knotting the ends, do make sure to keep on watching because this video is very helpful, and I'll be showing you details on what to do and how you should not make mistakes, especially when it comes to knotting the ends of French curls. Keep on watching, guys. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy, and today I'll be showing you how to make French curls braid from start to finish. Here I have this frontal, and this frontal is made out of attachments. If you want to purchase this, we have this quite in large number of quantities, so you can actually purchase it. The reason for using this attachment braids, because as you all know that the price of closures and frontals and full lace is quite expensive, so this is made to suit your budget. So if you want to purchase this, we have frontals, we have full lace made with attachment, and trust me, this color is actually like human like color too, so it's, I feel like it blends like your natural hair, so it's not black, it's color too, so this is very good. So yeah, I first place the full lace and make sure that it sits very flat at the end. I'm using my sewing machine, so I went ahead to do the marking so that I can easily trace it out with my machine. You can go ahead to use your hand sewing method to, like, you know, secure this. So once you're done with that, I'm just going to secure the front very well with my T-pins. This is just so that I can properly arrange the frontal, because I wanted to part my frontals, like have it in sections before I start braiding. So I went ahead to just, you know, start parting it and then braiding it just a little, just so that I can just have an idea on how what number of braids I need to, you know, bring out to do the front. And then again, I would advise that before you start braiding, that you should do the frontal part first before doing the back. This is just so that you can have an idea and then you don't run out of extension, because when you're done with the front, then you know how to manage the back, because the whole thing is very important that you focus on the front first and then you focus on the middle before you go to the back. You know, I don't know if you get what I mean, but that is just basically what I realized while making this. So you want to section that, and here I'm done sectioning my frontal into, you know, different sections, and then I went ahead to use my chalk to just do the back, because I didn't want the back to be very full. I wanted the focus to be more on the middle, you know, so that I don't have this looking very heavy like kind of braid. Because this, yeah, in as much as this braid looks as light as it is, trust me, it is not light. So you want to make sure that you section this very well. So from the back, I am not going to be taking like very little. I'm going to make it as scanty as possible so that I can have my middle very looking full. So this is the color that this hair is actually for a client, so I didn't wear this. So this is the color that she wanted at the back, but I'm going to mix it all through, because, you know, so that you can have this very good looking braid. So yeah, the good thing about this darling Empress French curl is the fact that sometimes, in as much as it's already sectioned in the pack, sometimes you have like 2 in 1. I'm always very looking forward for that. I'm sorry, but I'm always looking forward for that, especially the fact that I didn't want to use more than 2 and then I'm seeing an extra. So yeah, this is what I did. Like I said, you don't want to make sure that this is looking as full, so you want to be picking it out just little by little and giving it a lot of space, especially from the back. And then when you get to the middle, then you can start, you know, closing the spaces like so. So this is what I did. This is the method I use in braiding these. I just use my crochet pin to just pass the quantity that I need for braiding, and then I started braiding. I didn't just took a little extension and then I just take another one and then I started, you know, adding it to it. No, I took the required amount of braid that I needed and then I just started braiding. So this is the trick here. This is the main part that you need to understand. So you just want to take one smaller part and then take the other part and then you tie it properly, you know, because if you don't tie it this way, trust me, the braids will start losing. I could see some French curls that some people do carry, and then I noticed that it is losing from that part. They just braid and they just stop it. They didn't even knot it, they just, you know, leave it. And over time it will tend to lose, and that would look very, very funny. So I feel like this method works very well. So you just want to braid it, and then when you get to the tip, you take a little strand, just a very, very little strand, and then you just tie it. Take another one, tie it like about 3 to 4 times, and you are good to go. Trust me, it would not lose at all. Like, I've been using this method for making this kind of braids for my customers, and I've not had any issues. So you want to make sure that it is looking properly secured. So I'm just going to show you one more time. You tie it first, and then you take a little from the other side, and then you secure it properly, just like that. And you did like about 3 to 4 times, depending on whatever number you want. But I feel like doing it up to 3 times or at least 4 times is quite good. It won't really show that you did a lot of knots. That's the whole beauty about this French curl. So that is basically what I did until I got to the top part. So when I got to the top part, I decided to start doing the front so that I can focus on the middle, and like so. I'm just going to show you how I picked the front, because I use this knotless braid method to like pick the front. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, and if you're yet to give this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up so that I can get across to a lot of people. So yeah, first you want to comb that out properly, and then you can see how the braid is already looking. Like, it is looking so beautiful, like so very, very beautiful. So you want to start braiding it first, like twice, and then you start adding extensions from little extension, and then you start adding little strands to the first. Just when you take the first one, it's tiny, then the second one is not as tiny as the first one. So that's what I mean. So you just want to start adding it like so. I did about 3. I added 3 extensions. So altogether, I made sure that it was up to that number of French curls. So that is just basically it. So when you are done braiding it like so, the same way I explained how you should knot it, that's the same way you do for the front, because I mean it's the same thing. So yeah guys, just keep on watching, and please make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Altogether, this hair was looking super amazing. Like, I'm very sure you saw the result from the start of the video. It is looking very, very beautiful, and my customer was actually happy with how this hair turned out to be. Also, if you want to purchase, like you want us to make braid wigs for you, you can just chat me up on my Instagram. I'm gonna be leaving the handle right now so that you can actually let's be friends on Instagram. If there is any hair that you want me to make for you, you can just chat me up on Instagram, and I'll definitely make one for you for a price actually. So anyways guys, like I said, just the same method you use for the knotless braid, that is how you would do this. So just keep on watching guys.
I'm sinking, take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers, take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no.
So this is how the front is looking, so very realistic. Like I told you, the attachment frontal is not even looking as if it's attachment. That's just the whole beauty about this. So yeah, we're gonna be focusing on the parts where you have the lace attached to the wig cap, because that needs to be covered. You can see how I already covered that one part, so I'm going to be using that method. So just keep on watching so that you can actually see how I covered the part that is attached to the wig cap. That is the lace part, because you don't want that to be showing at all. So you just want to take just a normal strand, just as you did the other back. So I'm going to be using this crochet pin, the same crochet pin I used for the back actually. And you want to be careful about this part so you don't get to rip the net. So you want to just pass that through very, very carefully, not on the net, the part that it's sewn. You know how that frontal lace, the back normally look like, because it's doubled. So that's the part that you're just going to be passing your braid to. So just the same method that I use for the back in weaving. So you just weave it like so, on and on. That is how I did it. I covered that part of the braid because it will look very funny if this is showing. So that was the same method that I used. So just keep on watching, guys. And also I just want to say thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for sticking through with me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for giving my videos a thumbs up. If you're yet to give this video a thumbs up, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos, So yeah, just keep on watching, guys.
Broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking.
And guys, I forgot to mention, when you want to take out the darling empress braid, like you want to take out the portion needed, you want to make sure that you use your fingers to just detangle it from the down part all the way to the top, and then you use your big comb. In this way you would avoid it from having it looking all tangled. So this is the look, this is how the braid is looking like, and this is how it is looking on my mannequin. Like I said earlier on, this is for a client, so I'm not going to be wearing this. So this is how it is looking. Very beautiful. The color combo is amazing. I'm sure you guys love the results. If you're yet to give this video a thumbs up, do make sure to give it a thumbs up. And overall, this style is amazing. Like you can rock it middle parts, side parts, half up, half down kind of hairstyle, you know what I mean? So guys, this is looking amazing, like so beautiful. No, we are too much. Like I said, if you want us to make this extension, this unit for you, do make sure to hit me up on my Instagram page and chat me up, and then definitely for a price, but not as much as compared to your regular hair vendor. That is just your slash price. I'm going to be giving you for a very, very good price. So yeah, this is the result. This is how it is looking. Very beautiful, very, very super amazing. I'm sure you guys love this video, and that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching all the way to this extent. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much, guys. And this is how it is looking in a side part. Oh my god, this hair is amazing. Let me know what you think about this hair in the comment section, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.